Save this video if you're looking for an affordable plus picture perfect. Uy, gusto natin yan. One full day itinerary here in Singapore. Hi kay Gala! Another day, another international travel na naman tayo. At dito, mismo sa Singapore. Kaya dapat isama mo ito sa bucket list mo. Panoorin mo ito hanggang dulo. Lalong-lalo na if you're planning to visit Singapore. Finally, Yahoo! Day 1 na tayo sa ating SJ Travel, mga kaygala. At ayaw ko na talagang i-gatekeep pa kayo. Kaya ito na. Kayang-kaya kaya if you only have one full day to explore around Singapore or you really want to maximize each day of your trip, I got you. Kahigala, we can make it happen. Plus, in the most budgetarian way pa ha. Budgetarian talaga ha in Singapore. Yes na tayo dyan kahigala. Dahil caring-carry na yan. Dahil most of the itinerary sa ating first day here in Singapore ay free at Instagrammable pa ha. Pero before anything else, don't skip to try Singapore's MRT. And for me, it's the most tipid transportation, mga kahigala, and easy access to the beautiful spots here in Singapore. So ito na nga mga kahigala. First up, the iconic Merlion statue. This is the most popular and Instagrammable worthy here in Singapore. Most important tip pala mga kahigala, especially when you are traveling dry season, don't forget your sunscreen kasi nanonood bestie ang init dito. Second, always agahan ang punta kasi madami ang mga tao at mahihirapan ka to take photos kung crowded na. Harap lang din nito ang napakaganda Marina Bay Sands kaya i-aura mo na yan kahigala, and it's for free ha. A few walks away, the trending Helix Bridge, and it's for free. So sulutin mo na to get a nice shots here kahigala. This bridge has a direct access to Marina Bay Sands Mall where you can window shop or eat na rin. O di kaya magpa-aircon ka muna dito. Ha. Ayan ha, nakakailang spots na tayo and it's all for free. Wala na tayong gastos pa sa entrance fee. After that, you can just walk a few minutes to the Gardens by the Bay. Sa walking way pa lang, going there, mapapastop ka talaga to take picture perfect spots kagaya ng famous Singapore Flyer at napaka-scenic talaga ang views. Kaya another aura ka na naman, bestie. Take note pala kahigala, dito sa Gardens by the Bay, ang Super Tree Grove, free entrance lang sila. Yes, you heard it right. Yan ang gusto natin eh. But if you wanted to take extra and enjoy your day, since nandito ka na naman, so I highly recommend Flower Dome and Cloud Forest. Just download Klook app and search that kahigala for hassle-free booking at discounted pa sila ha. Oh, diba? San ka pa? But wait, there's more. If you have extra budget pa, kahigala, at para mas iconic ang punta mo dito sa Singapore, try the Sky Park Observation Deck at 56th floor at the Marina Bay Sands Mall para you have a 360-degree view of the whole Singapore. Oh, wow na wow. Para mas lalong memorable ang punta mo, overlooking view at talaga namang mamamangha ka sa ganda ng Singapore. To end your day 1, mga kahigala, you can wait the water light show sa harap ng Marina Bay Sands and while enjoying the city light in Singapore, and it's for free again mga kaygala. And speaking of free, there are times as well they have also free orchestra show at the theaters in Marina Bay Sands, and that's conclude our day 1 mga kaygala. Jump pack talaga at worth it na yung araw mo. For more travel tips, please visit my profile and follow for more. Ingats and God bless!